The media says Islam is an intolerant religion. And we Muslims, we are apologetic. No, no, no. Islam is not an intolerant religion. I say Islam is an intolerant religion. Intolerant towards discrimination, towards racism, towards victimization, towards injustice. Islam is an intolerant religion. Intolerant towards the evils of society. So why are we apologetic? But Islam is an intolerant religion towards the evils of society. And today we see that the religions of the world, they know that victimization, it is wrong. Racism, it is wrong. And the countries in the world, they know it as well. But unfortunately, it is done and practiced in many countries. And Islam is an intolerant religion. Intolerant towards alcoholism, towards drug addiction. Islam is an intolerant religion. Intolerant towards the evils of society. So Islam is a religion of peace. It exhorts its followers towards peace. And Islam is intolerant towards all of the evil vices of society.